Thinking of switching from Verizon to Spectrum Mobile while keeping your phone number and using eSIM? Here's everything you need to know to make the switch smoothly. First, and most importantly, your phone must be unlocked from Verizon before you can use it with Spectrum Mobile. Contact Verizon customer service to request an unlock if your device isn't already unlocked. Next, verify your phone's compatibility with Spectrum Mobile using its IMEI number. You can find this in your phone's settings under About Phone. For dual SIM devices, make sure to use the primary IMEI, which is IMEI1. You'll need your Verizon account number and transfer PIN to port your number to Spectrum Mobile. This information can be found on your Verizon bill or in your online account portal. This is crucial for Verizon postpaid customers. The number transfer PIN is different from your regular account PIN. You need to generate a specific number transfer PIN through the Verizon app or website as shown in this process. Here's a critical warning. Do not cancel your Verizon service until the number transfer to Spectrum Mobile is completely finished. Canceling your service early will release your phone number, making it impossible to transfer to your new carrier. Spectrum Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, which means they use Verizon's existing network towers to provide service. This gives you the same reliable Verizon coverage you're used to, often at more competitive prices. By following these steps, unlocking your phone, checking compatibility, gathering your account information, understanding the PIN requirements, and not canceling your service early, you'll be ready to make a smooth transition to Spectrum Mobile while keeping your existing phone number. Spectrum Mobile supports eSIM technology on many modern devices. This includes iPhone 12 series and newer models, Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and select iPad models. Activation of your Spectrum Mobile service is primarily managed through the activation dashboard. You can access this through the Spectrum website or the My Spectrum mobile app. There are 3 convenient ways to activate your eSIM with Spectrum Mobile. The first method is scanning a QR code provided by Spectrum. The second method is manual entry, where you enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code provided by Spectrum Mobile. The third method uses the My Spectrum app, which provides a guided activation process for your convenience. For Samsung devices, you can access eSIM settings through the Settings menu, then Connections, and finally SIM Manager to add your eSIM. On iPad devices, you can manage your eSIM through the Mobile Data settings, where you can view and configure your active SIM cards. Spectrum Mobile supports dual SIM devices, which can accommodate 2 physical SIM cards, 2 eSIMs, or 1 of each type. For devices without built-in eSIM capability, you can use a Switch eSIM adapter. This device adds eSIM functionality and allows you to manage multiple eSIM profiles on older phones. Spectrum Mobile continues to enhance its eSIM platform with improved digital activation processes and dedicated support channels to ensure a smooth activation experience.